Welcome again, friends and viewers. As in last video, we have done the installation of Xamp control panel. So in this video we will learn how to create a database, and in that database how to create some tables, and in that tables how to insert some records in that database. Okay, so let's start. First we have to open our Xamp control panel. So in second we have to start Apache and MySQL that are already started. So next we have to go to MySQL admin area. So click on admin button. This will open on your browser. So this is a main layout of your admin area. So here we need to create some new database. Like click on new button, give our database name like db test. Okay, no need to change anything from Docker, so just create it. A db test has been created. So here we need to create a table. Friends, have you noted that this is a sequence wise? We are doing a sequence wise. Like note that first we have started our Xamp control panel, and second we have to go to MySQL admin area, and third we have to create a new database like db test, and fourth we have to create a table. So give our table name like db table. Okay, this db table will contain only 3 columns, and this will vary on our needs. So for example, we say we need only 3 columns. For example, this is for a demo view. Okay, so go db table has been give some fields like first column contains ID, second column contains say for student name, and third we say student password. Okay, ID we have to create ID as a primary key. So for this, go to right side, scroll right, and look at this auto increment. Okay, so click this option. No need to change anything in this pop-up menu. We just need to go. Click on go button. ID has been set it as a primary key. Okay, look at this. So student name contains only virtual type data. Okay, student name we have to change our data type like virtual. It means student name only contains virtual. Student password should also contain integer values. Okay, now we have to we have to fix some length for student names. Say only 100 characters. So all things are ready. Now we have to save this. Save. So click on this db test, and this are db table. Click on db table. Look at this, viewers. We have created a table contains 3 columns: ID, student name, and student password. Now insert some values from here. In next video we will insert some values from our website we will fill a form, and that form will be inserted in this table. Now for now we have to insert some values from here, like insert. So insert, this is the first ID. We have set ID as a primary key, so there is nothing to enter any value in this input field. So give a student name, say ABC, okay, and student password we say 123, okay. Go. click again on DB table. Look at this ID 1, student name ABC, and student password 123. Thank you for viewing this video, and new viewers must subscribe our channel, and please keep visiting our channel so you have to touch our new lectures. Thank you.